In this video, I'm going to show you how to get standard parts in Once Human. This is actually quite easy, but you have to be careful. First off, let's pull up our map by pressing M on our keyboard. What you then want to do is navigate yourself up here, the very top of the map, where there's this pin over here around the Iron River. So there's basically a big military base that's surrounded by rocks, and then around it there's multiple smaller camps, okay? And in those smaller camps there can be found a lot of items, different random items you can pick up by running around and pressing F on your keyboard. Now keep in mind, all those bases, and the main base as well, are very secured by different soldiers, and those soldiers are very powerful. So in case you are still low level and don't have like very powerful weapons such as I do, you may want to be careful. Just run in there, run around, try to dodge as much bullets as you can, grab a bunch of things, and then simply teleport back to your base. That's what I just did, and I was able to get standard parts quite easily. And then the way you get them is once you're back at your base or your kind of territory, you want to go to the disassembly bench, or simply craft one if you don't have it yet. Place it down, click F, and then in here you'll be able to click on select all, and then you'll be able to see that you can get standard parts out of the items that you disassemble. And that's pretty much it. Then you can simply hold down F key and you'll be able to disassemble these standard parts. That's pretty much it. That's how you get standard parts in Once Human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please help me out as well and subscribe to this channel.